Hello folks, today I'm very excited to launch my first ever Notion template. I've been building a Notion template a little bit differently. It's called ZenOS and it focuses on two core concepts, annual renew and mindful meetings. Now this is a technique that I've been sort of using for a couple of years now, and I was like, okay, this is actually something that I found that's pretty helpful. And what I've done is pulled it into a Notion template that you can use every single day. And it lives alongside any other workspace you've got in Notion, which is really cool. And it sort of assists it. It sort of produces a structure that you can use weekly, monthly, and at the end of the year to achieve success. The basic premise of it is the annual renew is basically getting a high quality ongoing tally of your year, so that when you get to your annual review, it gives you the best chance of reviewing what lessons to improve on in the next year. And a mindful meeting is a strict exercise to do every single week that has a structure to it. And it's all available in this Notion template we're calling ZenOS. So you can find it linked below. I'm very excited and very nervous to launch this. I have launched a Notion template before, but they've all been free when Notion templates weren't that popular. So I'm sure this one will be quite exciting to get out in the wild. Now, just a little bonus as part of this, inside of the actual template, it's not just static. You will get lessons from me, taking you through how I've done it, giving you guidance and how to have an effective annual renew and an effective mindful meeting. So I'm excited. Thank you very much to everyone those who go ahead and purchase, and I look forward to helping you progress with your Zen and your focus in your week. Thank you very much, folks, and I'll see you all very soon.